Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to add musics on picture for your Instagram story. So the first thing you have to do, open your Instagram application and make sure that you're signed in and logged into your account, and just stay in the home section. Whenever you are in the home section, slide your screen into the right side so that you have an access into the Instagram story. And whenever you are in an Instagram story, just go click this small square symbols in the left bottom corner. Go click it so you have an access into your photo library. And after that, you just need to find the picture that you want to add for your story. Here we go. And to add the music, just take a look on this upper features here. There's a music symbols right here. Just go click it and find out the musics that you want to add. So whenever you already found it, and add into your story. So that is the way how to add musics on Instagram story. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel guys, and I'll see you for the next video.